how to promote your NFT art with this free strategy. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can promote your NFT art for free on different platforms and what are the different ways that you can actually get your name out there and start having your NFTs be advertised on higher up platforms. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing you might be wondering is, how do you create NFTs? What are NFTs? Where do you sell them? Where do you buy them? And how can you start promoting your own NFTs? Well, it's pretty simple. NFTs are non-fungible tokens. Everyone has heard about them by now, and there are several different marketplaces for you to get started with your NFT journey. And a very popular platform is OpenSea.io, where you can start selling your NFTs. And there are many different collections of NFTs you can create. You can just simply set up your wallet, your crypto wallet on any crypto platform or blockchain, and then you can start creating your collection on any of these marketplaces. After you have done that, you're going to start adding your NFTs. So they can be images, videos, audios, or 3D art. And then you just add your basic title and description, customize your NFTs with any kind of property, stats, and unlockable content, and then you can just list them for sale. So it's a pretty simple process to start selling NFTs. Now, once you have actually set up on one of these platforms and you have created NFTs, like I have created this NFT in Canva, and obviously you're gonna mint it on a different platform, but we're not discussing that today. We're gonna discuss the aspect of marketing your NFT. So the first thing you need to do if you're looking to join the NFT business is create a Twitter account and start joining the NFT community on Twitter. So Twitter has a very active NFT community, and what you're going to do is, once you have created a NFT account, you have to start following different people that are influential in the NFT community. So you can see I have added a lot of people that are just doing NFTs themselves, selling their own NFTs, NFT gurus in general, or influencers, and you want to make sure you're following some well-known people. These people are not only pretty influential, but they can really help you advertise your NFTs. If you're not a part of the community, it's going to be very difficult for you to actually get started and to start actually getting people interested in your work. So before people are going to click on your profile, you actually need to be someone that is actually participating in the conversation within the Twitter space. So that's the first thing you need to do. Follow some of these NFT influencers. Now, you can see I've shown you guys a couple of examples of these influencers, and once you follow one or two influencers, you're gonna find more to follow, and then you're just gonna get into the community. And once you slowly do that, you can find which of these people are actually worthwhile and which of these you might as well unfollow. So you can see over here that I'm following 7 people, and they're all NFT related people. These people are some of the very popular NFT influencers, and you want to make sure that you're not only following influencers but actual crypto information or NFT information clubs as well, to get a better estimate of what the market is looking for. Now, the second thing you need to do to advertise your NFTs is go on nftcalendar.io. Now, nftcalendar.io is a great platform for you to start advertising your NFTs for free. It has no sign-up fees whatsoever, so you can just click on list your event over here at the top right, and then you can add a event for your NFT. So you can say event title. Let's say you have a sale 2 buy 1 get 1 free or something like that. So whatever your collection name is, let's say mice collection early bird discount, or whatever you want to title your event. Then you can add the description for your event or the description for your launch event, add the images for your NFTs. So obviously you're not going to be adding the actual NFTs, you're just going to be adding some replica images, or just take a screenshot of the NFT and add it over here. Then you're going to add your start date, then you're going to add your details. So what kind of blockchain is your NFT going to be working on? You're going to add that. After that, you have to add the marketplace it is available on. So what kind of platform are you using to sell your NFTs? You're going to add that over here. Make sure you're adding all the accurate information, because you want people to be able to purchase your NFTs once they view it on NFT Calendar. So let's say I'm selling on Wearable, so I'll add that. And then you're going to add categories as well if you're pretty sure about the category. So let's say this is just a art or a collectible item. You're going to add your categories. Then you can add your event links. If you have a website where you are selling your own NFTs, or any kind of marketplace where you're selling your own stuff, you can add that over here. Any kind of announcement you want to make, then you can link your Twitter account as well, and then you can just click on agree over here. You can click on submit event, and within 24 hours NFT calendar will review your event and they will post it on their platform. And you can see on the NFT calendar platform, if you're not sure about how you want to list your event, you can actually open up any of these events and get a good estimate of what kind of information you need to provide for the event you're looking to create on NFT calendar. So make sure you're adding all the basic information like the tags and a good description, so you can see that this is a event called live and open to all, where you can start creating crypto mafia NFTs and start minting them. Like over here, they have added a good description of how the overall system is going to work. They're pretty concise with it, but they have added enough detail. So you want to aim for this as well. You want to make sure you're adding information, but you're not doing essays, because people are not going to be very into reading that. Now, the next thing you need to do to promote your NFTs for free is create a Discord channel. Now, you can go on and create your own like this and start inviting people off of Twitter once you have a good Twitter community, or you can actually go and browse on Twitter, and you're easily going to be finding different Discord groups on Twitter, and you can start joining those groups to promote your own NFTs. But beware that promoting your own NFTs is usually banned in most groups, so you need to tread very carefully if you're going to go with that strategy. But you can definitely check it out, give it a try, and if it isn't working, then you can just create your own channel and start inviting your own Twitter community. Now, the next thing you need to do is go onto medium.com. So you can go onto medium.com and start writing for free. So you can start writing your own articles on Medium, and once you actually sign up with your email account, that's all you need to do. You can just click on write a story over here, and you can start publishing your stories on medium.com. So you're just going to add whatever kind of event title you actually added on NFT calendars. You can post the same thing over here on Medium as well. Add the story, add a description, and make sure you're simplifying stuff a bit on Medium, because this is not a crypto platform or a NFT platform. This is a simple platform where you're doing promotions. So you want to simplify your NFTs as much as you can, explain them over here, and this is going to function as another way of free advertising for your NFTs. Now, the last thing that you can do is start promoting on TikTok and Instagram. Now, both of these are very powerful platforms. TikTok is one of the largest platforms out there. So what you can do is take whatever are the trending influencers and whatever kind of dances they are doing, or whatever kind of TikToks that they are creating, you're going to use the same sound system. So go on to Addison Rae or Charlie D'Amelio, any kind of popular influencer on TikTok. You're going to go and just check out the content that they're creating, the voices or the actual soundtracks that they're using. You can use that and hop on the trends, because whatever they are doing is probably going to start trending. So you can just hop onto their profiles, use the sounds they're using, create a TikTok where, okay, it could be like a dance video, and then it's like, oh, this is what I'm doing, this is what you're doing, and you can show your NFTs as what you're busy doing. So that is one way to promote your NFTs as well. You can do the same thing on Instagram, but for Instagram, you're going to have to create your own account and start promoting over there. So that is why I do recommend that you do it on TikTok, because it's going to have a better reach than Instagram. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and you are now able to start promoting your own NFTs for free. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.